DNA repair mechanisms in eukaryotes. Direct repair. Direct repair in eukaryotes reverses certain DNA lesions without removing nucleotides and therefore does not require DNA synthesis. Compared to prokaryotes, direct repair is limited in higher eukaryotes, but some pathways are conserved. These mechanisms are error-free and act rapidly. A photoreactivation, lower eukaryotes only. Damage repaired. UV-induced pyrimidine dimers. Photolyase binds specifically to thymine dimers and uses visible light energy to break the abnormal bonds between adjacent pyrimidines. This mechanism is present in yeast, fungi, plants, and some animals, but absent in placental mammals. Enzyme. DNA photolyase. B-alkyl group removal. Damage repaired. O-methyl-GG-NER. A methyltransferase enzyme transfers the alkyl group from the damaged base to itself in a single-use reaction, restoring the normal base structure. Enzyme. O-methyl-GG-NER DNA methyltransferase, management. Base excision repair, BER. Base excision repair corrects small, chemically modified bases that do not cause major distortion of the DNA helix. This pathway is highly conserved and operates throughout the cell cycle. It maintains genome stability by preventing point mutations. Types of damage. Deamination, see rightward arrow U. Oxidation, 8-oxo-G. Alkylation. A basic, AP, sites. Mechanism. Damage recognition. Removal of damaged base. Cleavage at AP site. Gap filling, short patch or long patch. Ligation. Key enzymes and functions. Enzyme. Function. DNA glycosylases. Recognize and remove damaged base. APE1. Cuts DNA backbone at AP site. DNA polymerase beta. Inserts correct nucleotide. FEN1. Removes flap, long patch BER. DNA ligase 3/I. Seals NIC. Nucleotide excision repair, NER. NER removes bulky, helix distorting lesions such as UV-induced thymine dimers and chemical adducts. This pathway is extremely important in humans. Defects in NER lead to diseases like xeroderma pigmentosum. Types of NER. A global genome NER, GG-NER. Scans the entire genome for DNA distortion, even in non-transcribed regions. B transcription coupled NER, TC-NER. Repairs DNA damage specifically on the actively transcribed strand when RNA polymerase stalls at lesions. Mechanism. Damage recognition. DNA unwinding. Dual incision. Removal of damaged oligonucleotide. DNA resynthesis. Ligation. Key enzymes and functions. Protein. Function. XPC. Damage recognition, GG-NER. CSA, CSB. Recognition in TC-NER. TFE. Helicase activity, XPB, XPD. XPFERCC1. 5 incision. XPG. 3 incision. DNA pol delta/epsilon. DNA synthesis. DNA ligase I. Strand sealing. Mismatch repair, MMR. Mismatch repair corrects base mismatches and insertion deletion loops formed during DNA replication. Unlike prokaryotes, eukaryotes do not use methylation to identify the new strand. Instead, strand discrimination depends on pre-existing NICs and replication machinery signals. Damage repaired. A, G, C, T mismatches. Small insertion/deletion loops. Key enzymes and functions. Protein. Function. MSH2-MSH6. Recognizes base mismatches. MSH2-MSH3. Recognizes insertion/deletion loops. MLH1-PMS2. Endonuclease activity. XO1. Removes error-containing strand. DNA pol delta. Resynthesis. DNA ligase I. Sealing. Double-strand break repair, DSBR. Double-strand breaks are the most dangerous DNA lesions in eukaryotic cells. 2 major pathways operate. A homologous recombination, HR. HR is an error-free repair mechanism that uses an undamaged sister chromatid as a template. It mainly occurs during S and G2 phases of the cell cycle. Key enzymes and functions. Protein. Function. mRNA complex. Damage sensing and end processing. ATM. Damage signaling. RAD51. Strand invasion. BRCA1/BRCA2. RAD51 loading. DNA pol. DNA synthesis. DNA ligase I. Sealing. B non-homologous end joining, NHEJ. NHEJ directly ligates broken DNA ends without a template. It is fast but error-prone, often resulting in small insertions or deletions. Key enzymes and functions. Protein. Function. Cu70/Cu80. DNA end binding. DNA PKCS. End stabilization. Artemis. End processing. DNA ligase 4. Ligation. XRCC4. Ligase stabilization. Translesion DNA synthesis, TLS. TLS allows DNA replication to bypass damaged templates using specialized low-fidelity polymerases. While this prevents replication fork collapse, it increases mutation frequency. Key enzymes. Polymerase. Function. Pol-eta. Bypasses thymine dimers. Pol-lota, kappa. Bypass bulky lesions. Pol-zeta. Extension past lesion. DNA damage response, DDR. DDR is a cell-wide signaling network that coordinates DNA repair, cell cycle arrest, and apoptosis. It ensures that damaged DNA is not replicated or passed to daughter cells. Key proteins. Protein. Function. ATM, ATR. Damage sensors. Check 1, check 2. Cell cycle arrest. P53. Transcriptional regulation. Summary table, eukaryotes. Repair pathway. Damage type. Nature. Direct repair. Alkylation. Error-free. BER. Small base damage. Error-free. NHEJ. Bulky lesions. Error-free. MMR. Replication errors. Error-free. HR. DSBs. Error-free. NHEJ. DSBs. Error-prone. TLS. Severe damage. Error-prone.